Unlocking the secrets. How to register a trademark. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. How to register a trademark. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative mind, or just curious, understanding this process can protect your brand and ideas. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets together. A trademark is a unique symbol, word, or phrase that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or services of one party from those of others. It's like your business's signature or a brand's identity. Trademarks are crucial because they prevent confusion in the marketplace, protect consumers, and help maintain the reputation of brands. Registering a trademark grants you exclusive rights to use it on your products or services nationwide. It becomes your legal shield, allowing you to take action against anyone who tries to use a similar mark in a way that could confuse customers. Moreover, a registered trademark adds value to your brand, making it a valuable asset as your business grows. 1. Search for existing trademarks. Before you apply, it's essential to search the trademark database to ensure your mark isn't too similar to already registered trademarks. 2. Prepare your application. You'll need to provide detailed information about your trademark and the goods or services it will be used with. Precision here is key to avoid objections. 3. Submit your application. Once your application is ready, submit it to the trademark office. This step often involves a fee. 4. Examination process. The trademark office will review your application to ensure it meets all legal requirements. 5. Publication for opposition. If approved, your trademark will be published in an official gazette. This gives others the chance to oppose its registration if they believe it infringes on their rights. 6. Registration. If there are no objections, or if you successfully overcome any that are raised, your trademark will be registered, and you will receive a certificate of registration. Once registered, it's your responsibility to monitor and enforce your trademark rights. You should also keep in mind that trademarks need to be renewed periodically, usually every 10 years, to maintain their protection. Registering a trademark is a vital step in protecting your brand and ensuring its longevity in the market. We hope this guide has illuminated the path to securing your own trademark and the importance of this process. Remember, your brand is not just a name or logo. It's the quality and reputation behind it that counts. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your success in the world of branding and trademarks.